Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how you can do some budget calculations for gas. If you have a combination of highway and city miles that you kind of know you're going to have every month. So let's say my truck gets 16 miles per gallon on the highway and 12 miles per gallon on the mountain. If I travel 224 miles on the mountain and 205 miles on the highway each month, and gas is selling for $2.55 per gallon, my gas expenses will be about what? Well, let's take our 224 miles that we are going to travel on the mountain, and let's multiply by 1 gallon for every 12 miles that I travel on the mountain. Miles cancel, and that will just be in gallons. 244 divided by 12, and that will be 20.33 gallons. And if I take my 205 gallons, or miles, sorry, multiply that by 1 gallon for every 16 miles on the highway, then that gives me how many gallons, and 205 divided by 16 equals 12.81 gallons. I think it helps to keep track of units, especially when you're doing several different things. So let's add up how many gallons we need to get. 8 plus 3 is 11, carry the 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so we need to get about 33.14 gallons, each gallon costing $2.55, so we'll go ahead and multiply. It's going to be about $84.51 if I round to the nearest penny. These gallons are rounded also, so anyway, so the answers on the computer allow 5% error on either side for rounding. And you can go ahead and try this one, and then pause the video and see if you can work it out and get the right answer, and then see what my answer is and see if you get it right. So 27 miles per gallon on the highway, 24 miles per gallon around town. So 201 miles around town. And around town I get 24 miles per gallon. $201 divided by 24. That will be 8.375 gallons. And I take my 417 miles, multiply by 1 gallon, can take me 27 miles. Then I should buy 15.444, add those up. So let's add those up, round it to 23.82 gallons, units of gallons. And 23 gallons at $2.69 per gallon equals $64.07. So that's just how to calculate or to kind of predict how much you're going to use, so you can budget how much money you want to set aside for gas every month.